Everyone says full table scan is bad. But what if I tell you it can actually be faster than an index? Sounds crazy, right? In real world scenarios, Oracle sometimes prefers FTS over index access, and there is a solid reason behind it. In this video, I will show you exactly when and why this happens with a simple demo. Let's dive in.
Next, let us see what are these access paths. First access path is full table scan, or we call as FTS. Okay, so full table scan, is it bad always? Because many people say full table scan, so there is a problem. Do you think always full table scan is a problem, or is it advisable sometimes? Based on the query result, amount of the query result. Okay, if it is accessing most of the table, better to go with full table scan. So it is not always bad. We see what is the scenario, based on that we'll tell FTS is better or it's not better. So in FTS operation, it reads till high watermark. Whether you have empty blocks, used blocks, partial data blocks, whatever it may be, it reads till high watermark. Okay, so truncate resets the high watermark back to the start of the table. FTS uses, for full table scan, there is a concept called multi-block IO. Multi-block IO. See, in general, I told you, right, initially, whether you need it or not, minimal data blocks are assigned. DEPT table, only 3-4 rows are there, still it is having 5 data blocks. Okay, because minimal, the way, even if you say select star from also, it won't bring only one data block. That minimal IO, what is set by Oracle internal, that is, those many number of data blocks are brought. So, how to make full table scans faster? See, sometimes we can't avoid. We need full table scan, but can we make it faster? Yes. There is a parameter called DB file multi-block read count. If you set it to 16, then in one IO, 16 blocks are brought. If you set it to 32, always it should be 2 power n. If you set it to 32, 32 blocks are brought. In this way, you can make full table scans to perform better. This DBA has to set DB file multi-block read count. See, we generally, they will set this parameter and they monitor in how much full table scans are better. If you set this, even if you have small table also, it will try to get entire thing, right? Unnecessarily, it's not required. So generally, how DBA set this parameter number means, suppose first they'll set it to 8, they check full table scans for the bigger tables, how it is performing. Once they set 16, then they again perform. Just like that, they won't perform. Sometimes when you set to maximum, it might affect the small table issue also. Unwanted things also they will be coming, right? See, at the maximum value, whatever you said is suggested only for warehouses, not for OLTP. Warehouses, it is whatever you said is correct, because data will be huge, and some places we can't avoid full table scans in warehouse and data mart, so it's better to go for it. But OLTP, that's what I'm telling. Whatever Oracle gives feature, always it comes with some pros and cons. Always we should be aware of it. So just because Oracle give, if DBA sets, it might affect some other place. That is the reason the approach I generally follow is slowly I'll increase. I'll set it to 32 and I'll monitor. And we also document, all these things. If somebody asks, and why did you change and what is the proof means, DBA should be able to give that. So that is the reason even DBAs also, they do documentation ideally. Okay, so they will put 32. Once the expected tuning effect is reached, they'll stop it. Okay, that is how they do it. Yeah, it is 128. It is set to. I did not do anything. This is a default value it has set. Okay. So I have chosen typical installation. As part of that, it has set this value. In normal production environment, we will not use typical installation. Okay. So this is this, and multi-block. This we already discussed. So in which cases Oracle will choose full table scan when no indexes are present, when a query does not have where clause, whenever you use like operator or percentage where index cannot be used, okay, because it's a special operation or something. With cost based optimizer, when a table contains small number of rows, okay, when optimizer mode equal to all underscore rows, there are optimizer mode is a parameter. DB can set all underscore rows, some parameters are there, okay. So it they will set based on that. Oracle will, in these scenarios, Oracle will use full table scan. Okay.
Explore our Oracle performance tuning and dimensional data modeling with Erwin tool courses. Upskill with our video courses at your own pace and time. Courses are created with real-world scenarios and ready to work immediately by industry experts.